Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you are here today. Just a quick reminder before I get started, don't forget to subscribe. I'm bringing you this wig review today for PinkyPromise.com. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new style by Raquel Welch. This is Boudoir Glam, and the color on this one is Shaded Cappuccino 1222 SS. More on her in just a minute. Okay, let's start taking a look at Boudoir Glam. So again, this is in their Luxe Light Cap, which fits petite average. These are the true to light heat-friendly fibers. This is one of my favorite colors. I love Shaded Cappuccino. This one has natural volume. The volume in this style is coming from the cut. She has shorter layers going up here towards the crown. She has a longer layer here in the front, and then just some beautiful, beautiful stacking and beautiful layering. But I wore her around my house. I smashed her way down to see if I could get the volume to relax. And she just naturally starts to grow on her own. So it is the nature of the cut. So keep that in mind. If volume on top is not your thing, this is probably not your style. But I think it's really, really cute for those of you who love a short stacked style. She is longer here in the front. If that is not your thing, that inverted, style, you could always shorten these layers up here at the front, but they do look pretty, framing the face. You can also kind of, feather them back. You can stick them behind the ear. There's some different things that you can do with those. So, but really cute cut, but no permatease. All the volume is just coming strictly from the cut. So I'll do a turn and we'll get started, with all of her specs. So here is the front, of course. My left. I'll pull this layer down so you can see the difference in length. The back, my right, and back to the front. Okay, so like I said, she has the extended sheer lace front, so it looks really, really good. True temple to temple coverage on your lace front. This one is the one out of the 5 from this whole collection where the part was fairly easy to open. I will say that has been a struggle with this collection. The parts are tight, and normally with Raquel Welch, I don't have that issue. So I don't know, what the difference is here, but. So there's your part. Here's your ear tab. So these, like I said, these do fit petite average. So if you have more hair here, I really have none. So, think about if you do have hair there, you might need to match your, bio hair there. So, and if you are not petite, if you're more average, this is fitting me perfectly with my petite measurement, 11 inches from ear to ear. So a lot of you are 12 and more. So again, you'll just have more hair that's going to be showing here, or a little more space. There's some space for me right there at that ear tab. So, so then I'm 13 from forehead to nape and a 21-inch circumference. I have not had to adjust this cap at all, so I did not pull the adjusters in. Okay, so measurements for Boudoir Glam. We have an 8.5-inch layer here in the front that could be shortened. I think the style, the way it's cut, it's sort of lending itself to shortening that bang if you want to. So I think that could easily be accomplished. At the crown, she has 6.5 inches. The back has 6.25 inches. She has 4.5-inch sides, and then she has a 2-inch nape. With this hand-tied cap, she's super lightweight at 2.7 ounces. So I will pop her off and we can look at this new Luxe Light Cap. Okay, so this is the Luxe Light Cap. So this is hand-tied all around here. This section right here, you're gonna have some tulle sort of netting there. You'll notice if you look at the knots, they're a little more spread out because that's the hand-tied portion. So you have monofilament for your left monofilament part, and you have monofilament lace for your lace front that extends down your ear tab. So that's where you get that true temple to temple coverage. The ear tabs and the nape have this silicone covering. You'll notice the stitching around the edge. There's velvet underneath there. You can remove that silicone if you want to, but if you're missing hair there like I am, it does provide some extra grip and hold, which I really like. So of course there's metal in there as well. So we have hand tied all through the cap. but we do have closed wefting here in the back. Quite a bit of closed wefting. This is pretty common on shorter wigs. You've got those shorter layers. They want those hairs to lay right. So they use closed wefting there. It still has the appearance on the outside of a hand-tied cap. So Velcro adjusters. There's a felt nape that is covered with the silicone. You can even see some of the felt right here. There's got to be a little bit of it there for the Velcro to attach to. And then you can see again the stitching on that silicone. You can remove that if you need to. So there's stretch in the circumference. There's some stretch in these hand-tied, this stretchy part of the hand-tied cap. This middle part doesn't have stretch. So, you know, this is meant to fit petite to average. So I think it will fit my petite-headed friends quite nicely, and then average and just slightly above average should fit you as well. Okay, let's take a look at this color. So this is the Shaded Cappuccino 1222 SS. Beautiful color. This is a great color for those of you who are brunette, who want to try more blonde in a wig. It is rooted, so you can see it goes great with my eyebrows. It's not overwhelmingly blonde, so that's why I say it's a really nice starter blonde for those of you who might be wearing the darker colors. So a really, really pretty combination of colors. So description-wise, they say this is a light golden brown, evenly blended with cool platinum blonde highlights with dark roots. So you can see that dimension. For your rooting, you're going to see that anywhere you separate the hair. You can see the rooting there at the part. And you can see it as you go down the ear tabs. They do put those lighter hairs, of course, right at the lace front, the platinum. It's an interesting color. I tend to describe it as a neutral. It has some warmth with the golden brown, and then it has cool with those cool highlights, you know, cool features to it. So it's a nice color. I've seen it on a lot of different skin tones and seems to work for a lot of people. So, okay, let's take a look at it outside. So here we are under my patio cover. So you can see the rooting. There's your lace. Okay. It's raining, so I'm on the edge of the patio, but you do get the overcast light here, so. Okay, we can look at glasses and styling and all that kind of stuff. So put her behind the ears just so you can see the glasses. Glasses are going to be really easy. She's, you know, even though she has some volume in the cut, she's still low density, so. Glasses go on no problem. They can go up on your head, no problem. I would tuck those long sides before I put the glasses up on my head, or you could just stick the glasses in. So your sunglasses, you know. So let's look at a headband here. And, you know, tucking her behind the ears, like I said earlier, that is one way that you could wear her. So you can get all the, what's that front? 8.5. So you can hold that 8.5 inch layer back with a headband if you need to, you know, looking down, if you just want the hair out of your face for the wind, you know, or whatever the case may be. Or if you want to, you can pull a little bit of that down. Of course, these are the heat-friendly fibers. You can add curl if you want to, you know, so if you want to curl this little layer by your face or, you know, put some curls in her, you are able to do that as well. You also could just stick a headband or a scarf or whatever in her. Other than that, you know, she's obviously doesn't have the length, you know, to go half up, half down or anything like that. You could certainly pull back, I got some flyaways, you know, pull back this front layer, you know, and do something cute. Sometimes I like to twist it and put a clip in there and then kind of play with the volume around that, and it looks cute, you know. So these layers are fun, you know, layered wigs like this are fun to do those sorts of things with. So she's really, really cute. So I want to thank Pinky Promise for sending this wig to review for you all today. There'll be purchase information in the drop-down box down below this video. Thanks so much for watching. Take care of yourselves. And until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.